Hi friends, I am Chef Pillai, Culinary Director of Raviz Group of Hotels. Today I am cooking one of our signature dish called Nemi Nirvana. That's a Portuguese influenced dish, and it's took it from a Syrian Catholic community of Central Kerala. And it's a fish cooked with coconut milk, black pepper and curry leaves. Chili powder, turmeric, black pepper and salt with little bit lime juice, and marinate the fish for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And chopped ginger, green chilli, curry leaves, salt, pepper, coconut oil and coconut milk, and an appam pan and a banana leaf. So we'll grill the fish first, then poach in the appam pan. Add some oil on a hopper, place the banana leaf, little more oil, then few curry leaves, and place this fish on the top of this. Now adding coconut milk, some chopped ginger, and green chillies, salt, and some black pepper, some coconut oil, few curry leaves. Fish slowly poaching with coconut milk, black pepper, ginger, curry leaves and green chilli. The fish is getting ready. It's an amazing recipe. Lots of travel from Portuguese and Syrian Catholic. The sauce is getting thick, the coconut milk getting very thick, and the fish going to cook. Coconut milk getting a buttery consistency, and the fish is going to be done. The fish is done, almost done. This is the consistency. It's a single cream consistency of the sauce, and the fish is so nice with black pepper, ginger, curry leaves and the coconut milk. Nemi Nirvana is done. It's an amazing dish. Coconut milk, black pepper and ginger and curry leaves. This is Nemi Nirvana.
Thank you.